happens when one of Boston's best chefs opens up a restaurant south of the city? You get a cool, comfortable, and craveable new dining destination like Remick's in Quincy. The chef is Marc Orfaly, and the mission in his kitchen is to serve up down-home fare with a gourmet flair. And there's nothing more classic than Remick's hand-packed Angus burger, piled high with sharp cheddar cheese, caramelized onions, and crispy fried Spanish onions.
When you bite into it, you're getting all those flavors. Sweet from the caramelized onion, the sharpness of the cheddar, the crunchy of the onions, and then the bun and the meat all together.
There's a little extra oomph put into the curried chicken wings, and Remick's ribs are no ordinary rack. These Asian-style sticks of deliciousness are stacked up 2 by 2 and served with sticky rice and a sweet and sour dipping sauce.
They're delicious, really crispy on the outside and tender and moist on the inside.
When Chef Orfaly decided to head south of Boston, he really went to the deep south. Check out his signature shrimp and grits, all creamy and delicious and topped with a panko fried egg. As for entrees, Remick's offers Italian classics like the cheesy fried eggplant lasagna and marinated steak tips hot off the grill. Or order up the whole roasted ribeye steak for 2, served with thick-cut steak fries and a creamy, dreamy spinach. And a dish that's simplicity at its tastiest is the veal chop Milanese. Pounded thin and presented on the bone, this tender chop is served on a bed of beefsteak tomatoes, mozzarella, and arugula.
It's one of those dishes you really don't need much on it. It's delicious just the way it is.
And the decadence continues on the dessert menu. Each sweet is so tempting it's hard to choose between the rich falling chocolate cake, the crispy banana wonton, or the white chocolate mousse, a personal favorite of Remick's partner Bob Palmer.
It has a side of hot chocolate, a shot of hot chocolate on the side, which you can pour in or you can just drink it.
Remick's is an homage to the old-time Quincy department store of the same name, and the atmosphere was inspired by nostalgia.
We have a lot of people come in and say, you know, oh, I used to work at Remick's, and oh, I remember this and that. If you were from Quincy, that's where you go. Remick's was a true classic department store.
And with dishes like these, Remick's the restaurant is destined to become another kind of classic.